Hey, what's up guys? This is Dennis with 21 Grams. Got a super fun video for you guys today. We got a box in from Weaver Leather. We're gonna do an unboxing. I'm super stoked. We're gonna go through what's in this box. Also, they were kind enough to put together a coupon code for everyone watching this video. If you go over to weaverleathersupply.com, type in 21 grams in their coupon code section at checkout, you'll get 10% off your entire order. Now that we got that out of the way, let's open this bad boy up. Super pumped. Oh, heck yes. All right, let's get right into this and see what we got. First, they sent over a sweet hat. I'm stoked on this thing. Yeah, this is cool. They're going to be sponsoring some of the Monday Motivation podcast coming up that I do on Instagram Live, and this is going to come in really handy, so I'm stoked about this thing. This is cool. They also sent over a matching shirt. This thing is going to be fantastic for summer. Super light, breathable. It is hot in Southern California already. So I'm super pumped to have this thing ready to go. This is cool. All right, we got a self-healing silicone brush set. That is hard to say. This is gonna be awesome for summertime. It gets really hot here in Southern California, and I'm just stoked that I have this because a lot of times my glue dries up. So this thing is going to come in really handy. I'm excited to give this thing a try. This is going to be rad. All right, let's see what's next. Yep. Super stoked. Tiger thread. Those that know, this is absolutely the best stuff on the market for hand stitching. My main concern always is putting out the best product. And the best product starts with the best materials. If you haven't tried out Tiger Thread, do yourself a favor, pick it up. It's well worth it. It's not cheap, but it's worth the price. So, and it goes a long way. This stuff is the best. All right, guys, next up, we have some thread snips. Might not seem like a big deal, but having the proper tool for the proper job is super crucial. I got them. I'm stoked that I got them. So that's about it. Next thing we got is the Fedisa Japanese leather knife. I'm probably mispronouncing that, which is a shame because I'm half Japanese. I should know how to pronounce that. But yeah, here we go. Let's check it out. First thing I notice, packaging is awesome, which I love. Comes in a little extra sleeve. Wow. First impression, I can tell right out of the gate, this thing is built of quality. You know how some things just feel handmade? That's how this thing feels. Super ergonomic. I'm pumped on this because I just use a standard utility knife on all of my projects, but I'm excited to have something that I can constantly sharpen. Also, I think this is going to show up awesome on video. So this is going to be cool. I am super stoked on that. Next thing. Oh, this is cool. It's a candle from Weaver. This is a genius idea. This is so cool. Let me open this thing up. Give it the old smell test. Yeah, it smells like leather, and I love that smell. That's cool. That's so neat. I love this idea. I think it's genius. All right, guys, we got one last thing. We got the strap board from Weaver. I am super pumped on this. Not to sound too much like your dad, but sharp tools are safe tools. It's crucial to keep your tools sharp. One, it's going to save you time and frustration. Two, it's going to keep you safer. So having something like this to keep your tools sharpened is going to be a lifesaver. I'm super pumped on this. I'm sure I'm going to be doing a review on this and a few other things that they sent me. Keep your eyes open for that. That's going to be awesome. I also got the aluminum oxide and beeswax that we're going to put on one side of the strap board. Then the red Rogue buffing wheel compound, and this is going to help for the other side of the board. So I'm going to go through the instructions and make sure that this is properly broken in. Then we'll get a really nice review going on it. I'm pumped on that. This is going to be cool. They also sent me a little sticker pack, which I'm super stoked on. This is rad. Whoever's doing the art design over at Weaver Leather, kudos to you. I absolutely love it. I just think it's so cool. Those that know me know that I absolutely love stickers. I collect them from my friends. I collect them from different companies that support me. And I often show them off in my videos because I like supporting my friends and I like supporting companies that support me. It's kind of a no-brainer. So these are just cool. I love them. The Mighty Wonderful, this thing is so cool. I want to get one of their clicker presses so bad. I'm going to add it to my studio here soon. So this one, just naturally, is my favorite sticker that they sent me. But here's a handful of other ones. If you guys haven't seen their stickers or their art design, head over to their website, pick up a sticker pack at least. Yeah, stuff is so cool. This one's cool too. Then the little guy here. Yeah, this is cool. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out as we did this unboxing together. Big shout out to Weaver Leather Supply. If you guys need to pick up some tools, head over to weaverleathersupply.com. Use the coupon code 21grams at checkout. Get 10% off. All right, I appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.